Hello and welcome to Analyzing Logs with Anomaly Shield in Airlock Gateway version 8. My name is Matthias, I'm working as pre-sales manager at Airlock from our Frankfurt office. This short video shows how to analyze logs to fine-tune Shield in production. For details on how to enable and how to train Shield's machine learning network, please watch our video Get Started with Anomaly Shield in Airlock Gateway version 8. To get started, we explain our test setup, we will show how to use log tags to query log events created by Shield, and we will run example queries and analyze some of those log events. We are using two Shield applications, one for training and one for detection. As you can see, MLUp has detection and response enabled. Below, a trigger is configured for this application. The minimal bit count is set to 4. The pattern is configured to ignore the connection matrix, include the graph matrix, include isolation forest, ignore multiple countries, include status code meta, and include the timing cluster. The pattern switch has 3 states. Gray, the pattern will be ignored. Red, the pattern will match if this indicator shows anomalous behavior. Green, the pattern will match if this indicator shows normal behavior. If all 4 active indicators match, the minimal bit count of 4 has been reached and the trigger will fire. This is the configured rule that will execute when the trigger fires. Shield is set up to log the incident, to tag the session as anomalous and to terminate the session. Each of these logs will be tagged with a specific logging tag. Let's have a look at those tags. Tags are prefixed with WR-SG-NMLY-. If we only log Shield detection suspicious behavior, we will find a 400 event. 401 for tagging the session as anomalous, 420 for terminating the session, 421 for blocking the IP. And also very useful the 200 for getting an insight how the Shield is calculating its response. Let's have a look at 2 examples. Here we are in the Gateway log viewer and we filter on log_ID searching for a 401 for sessions that are tagged as anomalous. We find a couple of events and we are zooming in on the first event. As you can see, Anomaly Shield tells us it has marked the session as anomalous. The bit count of 4 has been reached and our trigger has fired. Our rule hard action _terminate session has been executed and has terminated the session. Here our second example. We are looking at a 200 log showing how Shield is calculating its response. Connection matrix fired with 1 above threshold of 0.99. Graph matrix cluster is disabled. Isolation forest fired with 1 above threshold of 0.99. Multiple countries is disabled. Status code meta fired with 0.998 above the threshold of 0.9. Timing cluster fired with 0.998 just above threshold of 0.97. We have reached the configured bit count of 4 and our trigger has fired. In this video we showed how to analyze log events of triggers and rules to fine-tune Airlock Anomaly Shield. For more details on how Shield aggregates indicators for detection and how to modify the default threshold settings, please go to docs.airlock.com/gateway. Thank you and goodbye.